This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Jose in here with us this morning. And Jose is a very smart man. He doesn't really have any complaints of pain anywhere, but he's concerned about his posture and overall health, so he wanted to, this is his very first time to a chiropractor, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you just wanted to come in and get lined up and make sure that you're kind of staying on top of your spine problems before they become a problem, right?
That's right.
So a lot of you ask, do I have to have pain to be adjusted? And the answer to that is no. In fact, it's better to get adjusted when you're not in pain, because then you're prevention mode rather than emergency get well mode. So we're going to show you how we do that. I've already done his orthopedic neurological evaluation, and was that pretty comprehensive?
No, yes, sir, it was.
Yeah, good. Okay, let's have you close your eyes for me, Jose, and bend your head forward and backwards. And then back to neutral. Okay, see, I can tell he's a side sleeper. His head's a little forward and over to the right, and I asked him, and he is. His pelvis has shifted a little bit right of center as well. So, very first adjustment we're going to do on him today is the knee-chest table, because his thoracolumbar, he works at an oil refinery, right?
Yeah.
And you do a lot of bending, stooping, pulling heavy equipment and stuff? Yep.
I like this stuff.
Okay, so let's come over here, and I'm going to have you get on your knees right there and put your face up in here. Chest will be resting on that. Kind of just let your spine sink down in here for me now. Just let gravity kind of push your spine down. Okay. There, okay, good. Now let's come over here. That was really tight on you still.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have you lay on your back on here. Now normally I do the decompression last, but on Jose, because this is his major issue, is compression, I'm going to do this one first. I'm going to slide up just a little bit. Jose, you can push yourself there. Yeah, there you go. Is your hips in there tight?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to wear a hard hat all the time, right?
Yeah, hard hat.
So that puts a lot of extra compressive stress, weight bearing on your spine. Feel like somebody's sitting on your head sometimes?
Yeah.
So if you feel compressed, this is absolutely bar none the best treatment for that is decompression manually. It's a lot different than the traction machines that they call spinal decompression, DRX 9000, other modified traction tables. Just relax your hands right there. That's it. Oh yeah, sweet. Yes, sir. That was a good one.
Yeah, it was.
For your very first chiropractic adjustment, you're getting the works.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, next thing we're going to do is have you come over here and lay on your tummy for me, please, sir. Come get up sideways, yeah. There we go. Left leg is short by about 1/4 of an inch in this here, and it gets longer when I bring it up. Does that tighten up a little bit in your low back and pelvis?
Yeah, it does.
Yep. So even though he's not having pain there, he has subluxations in his SI joints and his lumbar spine, which I'm going to address by adjusting his left SI first, then his right SI, and then the sacrum right down the middle. L5, straight P to A in the Z axis, L4, L3, L2, and I am still going to work on this thoracolumbar area because it was really tight on him. It still is. Oh boy. You're making me work hard this morning, Jose. Whew. Yeah, you felt all those move though on that decompression adjustment, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Legs are even now, and they stay even. Does that feel easier that time than the first one did?
Yeah, it does.
Good. Okay, you're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. Slide down this way a little bit. There we go. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Good. Now slide down about an inch and put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. There. There we go. You working down Channelview or Texas City or?
Well, I work all across the country, but I'm gonna be taking off to Port Arthur. Ooh.
Oh, Port Arthur.
Yeah, tonight. So
Okay.
I just came back from California.
Okay. Good. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, let's hit you up. Face out this way. So you live here in Houston?
Yeah, I'm like right down the street.
Okay, well that's convenient. Okay. Yeah, just relax this. There. Been stiff feller for most of your life, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm always tense.
Yeah, I can tell you gotta breathe more. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathing and drinking water are very good, healthy habits. Tai Chi is great for breathing exercises. Yep, let's stand you over here in front of the mirror now, please, sir. Facing the mirror. Now, Jose, I'm going to have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards. Remember how this feels. Still have a little trouble going backwards. Back to neutral. Will you stand up straighter now? Look in the mirror.
Yeah.
Okay, so your head's still a little forward and a little right, though. So here's your homework. You're going to pull both shoulders up.
Okay.
Lift them up. Pull them back simultaneously. Squeeze them together. Flare these hands where their palms forward towards the mirror. See how it tightens up your whole trap?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're letting your head go forward more. We want to avoid that. I'm going to bring it, no, just let it go. Let me do it. Straight back. You're right. Now keep those shoulders squeezed together. Translate left. Now look at the wall behind you. Adjust your atlas right there. Keep those shoulders squeezed together and squared off. There. Okay, now relax. Okay, this time when you go forward and backwards, tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the previous ones.
Yeah, it does.
Back to neutral. Look in the mirror now.
Yeah.
See how we evened this spacing out better?
Yeah.
Good deal. So you weren't really hurting when you came in, but do you feel different now?
Yeah, a little bit more loose when you did that.
Decompression on you?
That's really.
The ring dinger works,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
ring dinger does work. So.
Yeah. Is that why you came in here?
Yeah, like I said, I saw you on YouTube, so I was like, hey, he's right down the street, so I'm
Yeah,
gonna
there you
give
go.
him a call. So
Cool.
yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone.
Problem.
Remember, you do not have to be in pain to benefit from chiropractic adjustments of the vertebral subluxation complex. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.